Okay, Deb and I are at Pistol Hill Trailhead because Colossal Cave doesn't open until 9. And what do we find? A fire still burning. So we have done everything. We've put dirt on it. Deb put water on it. So hopefully we got it out. But there's no problem with people coming across and starting fires. So anyway, I'll bring you along on our ride today. Okay, good morning. It is the 27th of August and we are the Arizona Trail Riders. So guess what? We are going to be riding the Arizona Trail. We were gonna go into the cave, but they don't open till 9. So Deb is on Ruby today and I am on Chara. Reba, I'm sorry. Reba, okay. And she's a redhead, right? So I will definitely bring you along. Okay, we are on the Arizona Trail and look at what we're looking down on. Isn't that beautiful? And there's Deb. Hi, Deb. Hi. Okay, I'm turning the camera on. Look at here, another narrow gate. I got off because I don't want to ginger up my knees again. So now I'll find a place to get on.
There's a little walk right there.
Yep, I'm thinking that's going to be perfect. We have a little wash.
Praise God for real low.
Oh, okay. We are at right through here. Come on, we're gonna keep going, buddy. Come on. Good job. Good job. Look at you. Good job. Thank you for listening.
But that gate was open the last time we were here. It hadn't been open in decades. And the last time I rode here,
It was open.
it was open.
Now Gail and I rode, and Reba's gone across like 3 of them, but the gravel covered most of it. Now the gravel's not covering the black culvert. There you go. It's a blue black culvert, and she doesn't like part of it. We have an airplane going overhead, a little Cessna it looks like. Hey, Reba's thinking about it. She's like, well, I'll let you know when I'm ready. Look at these rocks. Isn't this beautiful through here? Oh my gosh. Just watch your knees, ladies. This is such a beautiful area. I hope you can see this. Yep, it changes with the sun, doesn't it? And the clouds. Okay, here we are. We're going up into the prettiest part of this ride. I kid you not. And there are campsites, like that's number 7. They have a fire pit, trash can, picnic table, very nice. Look at this beautiful saguaro. That is gorgeous. We're up on the side of a hill, you can see. Yep, there you go, another. Look at here, another fire. Yep. Well, that was the second one we've seen. Okay, we took a detour off the Arizona Trail, and here we have picnic tables, trash can, restrooms. Hi, fire, hi.
Oh, homemade sign. Here they can move the arrow.
Oh yeah.
Cute.
Okay, cutting trees or branches strictly prohibited. Fire danger high. This is a really nice area. My goodness. Talk about beautiful trees. Lots of nice shade. And they have different places. They have drinking water, which is wonderful. And that is so good. Okay, I wanted to show you, we are in what campground? I cannot pronounce it. I can't get over how beautifully green this is.
Yeah.
There we go, finally. Good job.
I could tell she needed to go.
Look at this, some kids made a fort. Pretty cool, huh? This is unbelievable. Never been on this trail, and boy, was it worth it to take it. I hope you can hear that bird squeaking. We could, or we can go to the picnic tables. Isn't there? Yes, I have. It's been a long time ago, but yes, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is unreal how beautiful this is. Charles in high alert. Like, there's people. The hitching posts are over there, right? Good morning.
I didn't know they ate bean pods.
Yes, they do. Okay, here we are in the big parking area. And over where Deb is where they have a hitching post that we can tie the horses up to while we sit and eat a snack and drink some water. There we have our beautiful cowboy. Whoever did that did beautiful work. Okay, our break is over and Deb and I are heading out. We're gonna head out on the Arizona Trail.
It's nice they put this sign here.
I was gonna say it'd be nice to have that out front. 4 to 9, Monday through Saturday. Come on. Okay, here we go. The trees need trimming. Get down on the trail, buddy. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Much better. The trees are right down on the trail. Hard to get through. Now this is usually the trail we take when we start at Zimmerman Trail and come over. We take this Arizona Trail, part of it. Like I can't talk, sorry. So up here is where it will split. It will go back to where we are at Pistol Hill, or you go to the left or to the right. It'll take us back to Zimmerman. So just a little bit of what we're doing. Okay, this is where it splits. We keep going straight. Takes us to Pistol Hill. If we had turned to the right there, it would take us over to Fairbanks. And most of you ladies have been on that ride with us. Charo keeps lagging behind, so every now and then I make him trot to catch up. Yeah, wish he'd walk faster, but he won't. Maybe when he realizes we're going back. So funny. He's a true quarter horse. Uh-huh.
all the way up where the power lines are.
Really?
You see the whole new valley on the other side.
Is it a pretty easy ride or is it?
No, you gotta bushwhack a bit.
Oh, okay.
But somewhere out here, the park has added more acreage and they have a trail design to open up more trails.
Oh, that would be
But
awesome.
I don't know if they've started it or exactly where it is. They did a land swap and got more acreage.
I like it when they do that, especially if it is adjacent to our riding areas already. What a beautiful cactus, huh? Like Deb said, give it respect. It's had a long life. Okay, this is the trail we took to go down into the cottonwoods. We're going to stay up on top on the Arizona Trail because it's starting to get warm. So we'll head back to the trailers. Charo is becoming an amazing trail horse. All he did for me, he was a dancing horse. Belonged to a Charo, which is a cowboy, and that's all they did. And now he's learning about rocks and he thinks about where he's going to put his feet. He has just become amazing. He's such a good boy too. With people, he's a good boy. He doesn't like other horses, so I always am really careful who I ride with when I ride him, so there's no problem. Pretty rocks. Good boy, Tuttle. Good boy. My goodness. He takes his time with his feet. He's so good. Charo is walking so slow. He is so tired. I think it's the heat now. It's starting to get warm. The sun is out more, so he's slowing down if that's possible. And Reba says, "Come on, don't be a girly man." Hey, we are back at the trailers and we did 9.3 miles and it is 11:25. So we had an awesome ride today, Deb and I. And if anyone wants to do this ride when the weather gets cooler, just let us know. We're willing to do it again. It was so nice. So as always, happy trails. I have to, excuse me, I have to tell you, I am really impressed with Pistol Hill. They must have just graded this. It is so nice. We need to have them get down to Empire and Gardner Canyon, right? But wow, this is so nice. You can actually go 20 miles an hour without everything falling apart. So anyway, it was a good ride today. Deb and I had a blast. We did a lot of talking and laughing and, you know, the normal stuff that ladies do. But so anyway, it was a wonderful day, and if anybody ever wants to go on this ride, please let us know. When it cools off, we'll gladly take you.